Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Documint for free in 2026. If you want to create automated documents without paying for a subscription right away, this guide will walk you through the available free options and help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Documint website. Click Sign Up or Get Started, then create a free account using your email address or a supported sign-in method. Next, verify your email if prompted and sign in to your new Documint account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a few moments to explore the available features included with the free plan or free trial. Now create a new document template or choose one of the available templates. Upload a PDF or Word document if you want to turn your own file into an automated template. Next, add fillable fields to your template and map the information you want Documint to insert automatically. This allows you to generate personalized documents quickly. Once your template is ready, enter sample data and generate a test document. Review the output to make sure all fields are filled correctly and the formatting looks the way you expect. Keep in mind that the free plan or trial may include limits on document generation, templates, or premium features, so review your account details to understand what's included. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Documint for free step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.